How to change your profile here at Knowunity. So here at Knowunity, I'll teach you how to change your profile here at Knowunity. So at Knowunity, all you need to do to change your profile here at Knowunity is of course open up your Knowunity and then press on your profile on the bottom right corner right here. Once you press on that right there, as you can see, you can add a profile right here if you want. And there you go. As you can see, you may add some of your photos right here. There you go, as you see. And if you want to change your name, change much more, you can put the settings icon and then click on account settings. Here you may change your name, as you can see on the top, and also your username right here and your profile right here. Change that, which will head you to your gallery. And there, and you can also change your pronouns. He, him, she, her, they, them, theirs, and there we go, as you can see right there. And you can put in a short bio right here. Let's just say our bio is hi, I'm Glenn. There you go, guys, as you can see right there. Hi, I'm Glenn. Then we just need to press on done after applying all the changes that we have done here. Then press on done. And there you go, profile updated right here. So once we go back here, you will see right here just below, hi, I am Clint, and here Clint Journal, and here the profile that we changed, but we haven't changed the profile right now, so it will just looks like that color gray, and you will see the first letter of your name right here or username right there. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more question here, you can just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible here at How to Rock It. And thank you, guys.